In this video, I will show you how to file your company tax return, which is due in this case by 31st July. So this is your free agent account. You will go on the right side in the accounting section, click on this one, hit end of year. So let's suppose you have finalized all your accounts, you know your profit, loss, everything is done. Now on free agent, you have this section, approve and sign. But before that, you need your company authentication code. Without this, you can't do it. It's very important. It's a 5-digit code, which is usually mentioned over here, your company authentication code. This authentication code is very important. Without this, you can't do it. So over here, it clearly says to file online, you need to use the authentication code. Treat your code like a debit card PIN. So without this code, you can't do it. So in this case, we will click approve and sign. Now it will ask signed on behalf of the board by. So I hereby confirm that I have reviewed the full report, Companies House Report CT600. I hereby confirm that the account representation, everything is true, correct. And then you will put the name over here of the person who's doing it and click add your signature. Next, it says approval process complete. Accounts for this period approved by this person and on this date. On the right side, you can see this end of year process. So number one, we have done review and approval just now. Filing with Companies House, that's done. Now the signature is already presented. The next step is the accountant. For that, you need the presenter ID. So over here, you have Companies House final accounts. Once that is presented, and then you can file the account. Go on gov.uk, the only genuine website. In the search section, just write apply for presenter account. Click search. You will have few options over here. If you click this one, you have the option over here, apply for Companies House credit account. This is the case when you wanted to pay the fees the other way around. But if you click this one, find a software for filing your company. Over here, you have this link, apply for presenter account. Without this, you can't do anything. Then you will come on this page, start now. You have to sign in and then you will request the presenter account. So for example, in my case, I got the presenter account details already because I have requested last year. They don't change. You use them same every year. So it says your presenter ID is this, your presenter code is this. Keep these codes secure and do not share them. You need them to file your account using the third-party software. For example, we're doing free agent just now. Without this, you can't do. So once you got that, then you will have this option over here. Check your credentials, your presenter ID. You will enter your presenter ID. You will enter your authentication code, your company authentication code, the one which I showed at the start of the video. Once you have put all these things, submit final accounts. That's the way you can do your returns yourself. Without this, you can't do. You need all these details. So once your filing account is complete over here, you can see this, copy this amount. So this is 1,545.27. Go to your business tax account. Okay. On the business tax account, so it's obviously tax.services.gov.uk. That's the website. But go on gov.uk, write business tax account, and this will show up. In this section, you will click make corporation tax payment. Click on this one. This will ask which period you want, which accounting period do you want to pay your corporation tax. So this is first one, second one is this. So in this case, 2026 we are doing. Click continue. Next is asking for the amount. So just paste that same amount. Choose a way to pay. Pay by bank account, direct debit, personal debit. So in this case, we will consider the pay by bank account. Click continue. What is the name of your bank? So you'll select from this list. Click continue. What is your email address? It's optional, but I recommend you should put. Continue. Make sure all the details are correct. Always make sure this reference number, because this payment will show in your bank as this reference number and will be sent to the HMRC. But this number you will also see on your free agent account. So make sure it matches. Next step, it says get ready to approve your payment. So they will send it to your bank and you will make sure you approve it. How do you want to log in your bank? The options are, I want to use phone and scan QR code. I want to stay on this device and use my bank website. So we'll select the QR code and click continue. Now scan this barcode. So as soon you have updated and scanned the barcode and you have paid via your bank, you will get this kind of payment complete notification. Make sure you check the reference number, because this is the reference number your free agent account gave you, and everything works according to this. So your payment can take up to 5 days to show in your online tax, but the payment is done. Make sure you print your confirmation as well. It's very simple. Without this, you may get fined. So the main idea was to show you how you can do it yourself. Hope this video helps you. I have created loads of videos on how to file your accounts, how to do the salaries using free agent. I have created loads of content. I'm not a solicitor, not an accountant. I'm just showing how my journey is. Hope this video helps.